Welcome, this is the DeltaMath tutorial on multiplying binomials. When it says to express it as a trinomial, that means simplest form, standard form. Okay, so you have 2x plus 8 parentheses, then you have parentheses x minus 3. So we're going to distribute the first term, so 2x times x gets us 2x squared. Then we have 2x times negative 3. That gets us negative 6x. Okay. Then we have our bottom. 8 is going to be distributed to the x. Gets you 8x. Then 8 is going to be distributed to the negative 3. Gets you negative 24. You have some like terms here. Negative 6x plus 8x gets you 2x. Bring everything else down. Your final answer is 2x to the second power plus 2x minus 24. Here are the steps. Here they call this foiling, but that is equivalent to our distributive property. Here, if you are shown in terms of a box, you can do it here as well. Next problem, you have 2x plus 5 in the first x parentheses, then you have parentheses 2x plus 9. Okay, distribute that over. 2x times 2x gets you 2x squared. 2x times 9 gets you 18x. Now we go to the bottom. 5 times 2x gets you 10x. Then you have 5 times 9 gets you 45. These two are like terms. 18x plus 10x gets you 28x. Bring everything else down. You get 2x squared. X squared plus 28x plus 45. Ooh, I did something wrong. What did I do wrong? 9 times 5 is 45. Yeah, what did I do wrong? Let's see, I did something wrong here. Did I put it? Oh, I put in. Aha, 2x times 2x should be 4x. That was my mistake. I did it wrong. So my mistake was this should have been a 4. Okay, so this should have been a 4. Okay, the reason why is 2x times 2x, right? 2 times 2 is 4, and the exponent was 1 plus 1, right? That was the mistake, okay? At least we were able to learn from that, okay? Let's do the next problem. Let's see if we can redeem ourselves. X plus 1 and x plus 1. X distribute to the x. X times x gets you x squared. X times 1 is 1x. Now let's do the bottom. 1 times x is 1x. 1 times 1, it's just 1. Combine some like terms. 1x plus 1x gets you 2x. Bring everything else down. So x squared plus 2x. Then we bring down the plus 1 as well. So the final answer here is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Good. One more problem. We have 3x minus 5 in the first parentheses. Then we have x minus 8 in the second parentheses. 3x distribute to the x gets you 3x squared. 3x times negative 8 is your negative 24x. Then we distribute the bottom. Negative 5 times x is your negative 5x. Then negative 5 times negative 8 gets you a positive 35, I believe. Let me just check that on the calculator. No, positive 40. See? That's why you should always check using your calculator. All right. Add these two. These are like terms. So negative 24 minus 5 gets you negative 29. And these are x's. Bring everything else down. 3x squared minus 29x plus 40. Okay? Use your calculator. Don't make Claire's mistakes. So 3x squared minus 29x plus 40. Submit. And yep, we did it correctly. All right, there you go. That is how you multiply binomials.